good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you are watching this. And in today's episode, if you missed the last one, we're playing with these again. Smoke cartridges. And this time, we're testing the inlet manifold. Whoa, look at that sexy weld in there. I didn't do that. Gareth did that. So, absolutely 100% confidence in this. That it's not gonna leak anywhere. Gareth has 100% confidence in it. Which gives me the confidence. So, I know from the last video, I know it's not the correct way to test it. But it's just a laugh. It's a bit of fun. Makes me smile seeing the smoke come out and it not coming out the welds. I think if there was an obvious hole, I think it would come out of there. So I think that's all I'm really after, really. Obviously, when I start the car up, I might have a few issues if it runs fast or it's blowing or anything like that. You'll be able to tell straight away. But right now, with the engine not running, this is the way that I'm testing it. So we're gonna use, like I say, we're gonna use these again. These little torpedoes. I'm gonna light one of them, throw it in the inlet manifold, and see what happens. So just as we did before, like this. So it starts to smoke, like that. Throw it in there, make it go down there, and then hopefully the smoke should start coming out of here, as we can see there. Move it around a bit. And I reckon if I open this one, you might see it come out of here as well. Really? Look at that, it's coming out of all of them now. And so again, it's not coming out from around here where its throttle body's bolted to. It's not coming out of any of the welds. So Gareth, you were right, mate. There are proper testers for this, and a gentleman, one of my subscribers, did offer me for my exhaust manifold, which is absolutely lovely of him, but for what I need, I just don't think it's necessary. And again, this is just a bit of a laugh, really, so let me just, it's cool, isn't it? And then hopefully it'll come out of here again. There we go. And like I say, I mean, Gareth's welds, they're absolutely spot on. There's absolutely no holes in them or anything like that. It's not coming out of any of the seals. I mean, what I am going to do I'm going to take this off when I get back to my garage, and just put a little tiny bit of silicone sealer around it and whack it back on. I think that should be it. So let's see where the cartridge is. And that is what they look like when they've burnt themselves out. Listen, I had every confidence in Gareth's weld in there. I just wanted to wind him up a bit. It's absolutely mint, love it. So now I've done this little test that I wanted to do. I've been holding on to this for a while. Been wanting to play around with something like this. The engine, I keep promising you I'm going to show you the engine. The engine's nearly done. The inlet's done. The fuel injectors are done. So it is just now a case that we literally just start bolting it all together, putting it in. I need to do stuff to the subframe that I'll show you in another episode. We started work on the exhaust, however you want to say that, upsets you again. And started doing work on the fuel system as well. I think the fuel system's going to look quite trick in the boot especially. So hopefully you'll stick around. But yeah, that was again just a bit of a laugh. I'm not taking it too seriously. If you're new to the channel, then I don't take anything too seriously. You know, with the YouTube, it's just a laugh in it. So hopefully you enjoyed. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe.